Hi, welcome to my Yoga Nidra video. So I'm gonna make a video for you to relax, to lay down on your bed, on a yoga mat. You can do this any time of the day. It helps you to recover if you had a bad sleep or you just feel super stressed. Doing Yoga Nidra will help you to relax your mind, relax your body, but it also will help you to sleep better, to take a moment to just do nothing, to let me guide you. So I, for example, do this like at the end of the day sometimes. If I find a moment at 4, I go to my room and I lay down and I just put my earplugs in and just let the Yoga Nidra guide me. And I feel always so much better afterwards. Also, I sleep better. But if you, for example, have problems with sleeping, you can also do this before you go to sleep. So you do this in the evening because it helps you to just let everything go. Take a moment. I'll wear something comfortable, but you can wear whatever because you're laying down. It can help to maybe take a blanket. You can lay on a pillow. You can also lay just flat. And I use an eye pillow because I like it to have my eyes covered so that my eyes can rest and relax. So if you're ready, come and lay down and just laying with your hands next to your body, a little bit wider than your body. So like in Savasana. Same with your legs, putting them a little bit wider. Then just feel how your legs and your upper body sink in the floor. And you can slowly close your eyes and start to breathe through your nose, in and out. And just breathe for a moment here. If you can make your in-breath and your out-breath the same length. What can help is to count the breath. Let's follow the whole body. We're going to each point in the body. And you don't need to give big focus to it. Just take a moment to think of this place, this location that I point out. And then let it go. Starting with our right leg, our right knee, our right shin, our right ankle, our heel, the sole of the foot, the top of the foot, your big toe, your second toe, your third toe, your fourth toe, your fifth toe, going to your left upper leg, your left knee, your left shin, the sole of the foot, the heel, the top of the foot, the left big toe, the second toe, the third toe, the fourth toe, the fifth toe, your whole left leg, your whole right leg, going to your hips, your lower belly, your upper belly, your lower back, your upper back, your spine, your shoulders, your chest, your right rib, your left rib, your right shoulder, your right upper arm, your elbow, your lower arm, your right wrist, your right thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, your right palm of the hand, your right top of the hand, your whole right arm, to your left shoulder, your left upper arm, your left elbow, your left lower arm, your left wrist, your left thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, your left palm of the hand, your left top of the hand, your whole left hand, your whole left arm, going to your throat, your neck, the beginning of your skull, your chin, your right cheek, your left cheek, your left eyebrow, your left eye, your right eyebrow, your right eye, your forehead, the space between your eyebrows, your nose, your lips, the space between your lips and your nose, your whole face, your whole head, your whole upper body, your whole lower body, your whole body, relax and heavy in your bed. And you feel how you sink deeper in 3, 2, 1. Your breath is just going deep, taking you deeper in this relaxation. Now you can see yourself on your favorite place, a place where you feel really happy. It's somewhere outside, somewhere in nature. You look around and see yourself laying on the ground. You start to walk around. You start to discover. You walk. What do you see? Is it some place you know, or is it a new place? And you walk and walk. And there's another place where you sit down and you lay on the ground again. And you close your eyes. And you feel how you go deeper and deeper and deeper in the relaxation. Going deeper in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you're on a beach where you feel really happy and free. Feel the water coming close over your feet, touching your legs. You see the color of white sand. You hear the sound of the ocean. Hear the sound of birds chirping. And you walk on this beach, feeling how this water goes over your feet, how your feet sink a bit away in the sand. And you look around, and far, far away, you see someone coming. You walk closer and you look. You try to see who it is, and then you see it, it's you. And you walk and walk till you stand in front of yourself. And you're smiling at yourself. And then you can ask yourself anything you would like to ask, anything you would like to know, or that you need right now. And then you smile to yourself, and then you walk away again. You start to walk into the ocean. Feel how the water goes over your legs and over your arms. And you look at your hands and you see how your hands go through the water. And you look up and you see the sun. The sun is shining on you. You breathe deep. And you feel how the sun, the water, the sky, the energy here, how this makes you feel. And you walk back to this place where you were sitting on the beach. You sit again and you lay down and you close your eyes. And you feel how you sink deeper again. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Letting go, letting go. Feel how you feel at this moment. Is there anything that you want to wish? Anything you want to bring into your life? Breathe this in. Really feel how you breathe this in. Start to feel how you breathe that in, and when you breathe out, you let go anything you can let go of. And then again, you go back to this place that you liked so much, where you felt so good. And you walk in this place and you see a beautiful flower. So you go to this flower and you take this flower and you smell it. How does this flower make you feel? You go and you lay down. And you breathe this intention in again. Breathing this in. And while you breathe this in, you think of a light color. And breathing out the dark color. In a light, out a dark. And now you start to make your breath deeper again. Feel how you make the breath deeper and also coming back to your body and your room or your mat. Feeling how you feel that you breathe and your energy comes back. You can move your toes and hands a little bit. And whenever you're ready, you can make a stretch. And then again, breathe this intention in and feel this intention that you took during your practice. Because thinking of this intention in your practice is really planting a seed in your life. Yoga Nidra is really powerful. It's a moment to connect with your dreams and really attract it. So whenever you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes and get used to the light again. And you can stretch yourself out. And then you can come up, but first come to your left side, or just slowly waking up. It's a lot of light always. I hope you enjoyed, and it's really nice this for helping you to relax, for helping you to just slow down sometime, taking a time to do nothing, think nothing, connect to your heart. Thank you.